Good morning, Seth Grimm, Planning Operations for Eastern Area Complex Incident Management Team. Starting on the Brimson Complex down in Branch 1, our camp house fire. Tremendous progress has been made over the last 5 days, and we've really set this thing up for success. We are starting to engage in suppression repair portions of the fire that are deemed cold and out, and we're still kind of connecting the last little dots, the last little hot spots to make sure that that fire stays in its place. A lot of resources still out here patrolling and improving containment lines, as well as mopping up hot spots along the way to increase depth of containment to the interior. And that is the next couple days mission will be repeated over and over again until the repair is done, until everything is out. Moving up to Branch 1, Jenkins Creek fire, again, our primary focus has been on the west side with the values at risk. So we have specific defined values in the Skyboat community, Hoyt Lakes, other scattered residents, as well as the Cadott Lake and Bassett Lake area have been a focus between the two fires. So between those primary values and the other resident structures in the fire area, that is where our focus has been. Bravo is looking really good. We're flying UAS on that every day to identify hotspots using infrared. That allows a cruise to go into a defined point and to suppress that hotspot and be able to check it off the list. So everything is coming together really nicely here, but we are still finding some heat signatures. As we move up into Juliet, we have a couple different operations going. UAS utilization, IR flights, and we're doing the seek and destroy on those hotspots with crews. We're also still doing some mechanical in here. We had a ton of hazard tree removal along the 113 interior of the fire that we're taking out to prevent any sort of future public safety issues, as well as completing and cleaning up a fuel break for future protection of the Skyboat community. Great work up there. A lot of moving parts up here still. One of our busiest divisions right now, because we have concurrent mechanical operations going on, as well as strengthening containment lines, improving containment lines, mopping up, and chasing hotspots. Moving over into November, same thing. We're utilizing UAS, identifying those hotspots. There we've had a combination of direct and indirect lines. Direct is right along the fire's edge. Indirect might be back a little bit or cold trailing. And they're making a combination of tactics in here. Everything is sitting good there, but our IR flights are showing heat signatures that they're going in there and attacking. Moving down into Romeo, we're showing good containment, but that doesn't mean all the hot spots are out, and they're still doing the exact same operation. We got a crew in there. We've had some equipment with water capacity, and they're going in the hot spotting around, getting lat longs from the UAS and tackling those. That brings us around the horn on Jenkins Creek and camp house fires. Expect operations to continue the next couple days. As the operation shifts away from some of the heavy mechanical into more isolated pockets, we've right-sized the personnel fighting the fire, and we're starting to transition to a smaller amount and adjusting our tactical tools to meet the mission and protect the values at risk.